Alright, well, here I am.
Don't remember. Mr. Tate.
We are starting the wiring action. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, I cut a bunch of wires here and try to get them the right length. Not ready to solder yet because I need to make these little guys right here. Now, the hookup wire has 4 wires on it, and I only really need 3 for it. But with these gaming buttons, these arcade buttons, all I guess it really needs is 2. One for the bottom, for the ground, and then one for the control, which is in the middle. And I guess there's a difference on these prongs, right? Like for when you want it to connect, for when it's, press a button all the way down, you do the bottom 2, and if you want the action to happen when it's going back up, I guess you do the outside 2. But what I care about is this. And I already tested it, had some alligator clips from it, and yeah, I can basically get away with the ground here and the control here, and hooked up to this guy right here with this kind of setup array. I can go ahead and get that button push to work. So what I'm doing right now is I am cutting these wires like so. Let me go ahead and just do a set and try to strip strip the wire first, and get that knocked out, right? And then once I get that done, I went ahead and got a heat shrink set, right? So I went ahead and cut up some heat shrink tubing that will go on these, so once I solder everything on, it'll stay on, and it'll be well, it won't stay on, the solder keeps it on, but it will help protect against any exposure to any other like metals or anything. So so that's basically what I'm doing right now, is going through and doing that for the buttons. The buttons have been tested, the fader has been tested, so basically it's just preparing for the big soldering job, which would be all the knobs and all the buttons. As you can see, let's take a look what I got so far. This is kind of what it's gonna look like, kind of project wise, kind of like that right now. So I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do wood fill fader wise. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is super gluing the PC board to the wood, and then after I get done soldering these 2 prongs, which are not a lot of room to work with on here, but you take what you can get in this project. So that's kind of the progress right now, and then hopefully I'll get this knocked out pretty soon.